Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So we are going to read our fiction read aloud, which is a make-believe story. This is Dino Baseball by Lisa Wheeler is the author. So that's who wrote the words. And it is illustrated by Barry Gott, who is the person who drew the pictures. Woo. So this is about when the plant-eating Green Sox face the meat-eating Ribeye Reds. Baseball will never be the same is our description. So Dino Baseball by Lisa Wheeler. Oh, Jurassic Park, a perfect day. Dino Baseball's underway. Green Sox host the Ribeye Reds, some Petasaurus, some quadrupeds. Caps with brims shield midday sun. Shoes with cleats help dinos run. Wooden bats and leather mitts. Warm-up throws and practice hits. Hats on hearts as anthem plays. T-Rex cries while Lesso sways. First at bat is Troodon. Let's see how they say it. Oh, no definition found. Troodon. He taunts the pitcher, bring it on. The pitch is good, he swings with grace, then hustles round to second base. You see him sliding in there. Tricera has an awesome grip, a knuckleball. He lets it rip. Golly's swing, not up to par. Her hit just doesn't go that far. Now watch that Mawasara race. Tags Galley out 2 yards from base. A man on third, what happens next? Strike out Raptor, then T-Rex. 4 innings of a pitcher's duel. Both teams are running out of fuel. 3 up, 3 down, no one scored. Baseball fans are getting bored. Then Stegosaurus for the Sox hustles to the batter's box. T-Rex is the go-to guy. Wind up, pivot, let it fly. As Wood hits ball, they hear a crack. A mighty swing has split the bat. Stego rumbles down the line. Compy calls, this one is mine. Gloves the ball, throws him out. That's what baseball's all about. But wait, the Green Sox manager's irate, throws his hat and kicks home plate. He calls the ump a nasty name and gets ejected from the game. Then Diplodocus gets a hit. And Kylo makes the best of it. Patchy scores a home run play. 3 RBIs, the Green Sox way. Top of the 6th, Sox 3, Ribs 0. But Red Team fans are all aglow. Bases loaded, Green Sox fret. In the dugout, Ribeyes sweat. Barry's up. His hit is sweet. Ribeye runners move their feet. The ball is headed towards the fans. Diplo dashes to the stands. Jumps up high, his glove held wide. A Sox fan plucks it from the sky. That home run makes Green Sox cry. Why? 7th inning stretches here. Green Sox fans sing songs and cheer. Ribeye fans chomp meaty steaks. They all line up for bathroom breaks. It's 3-4, bottom of the 8th. The Green Sox players don't lose faith. They truly want to win this game, and Maya's bat has perfect aim. She eyes the pitcher, shows no fear, smacks the ball. It's out of here. Top of the 9th, tied at 4. Which team will make the winning score? In the outfield, Green Sox wait as Compy steps up to the plate. He hits it hard and hits it high. The outfield runs, gloves to the sky. Ankylosaurus gives a shout. He caught the ball. That red is out. 2 more outs. No one is winning. Will they need an extra inning? Green Sox need to change the score. Their only hope, apt to soar. He's at the plate. He sets his stance. Strike one, strike two. Just one more chance. He concentrates. He eyes the wall. A swing, a hit, and goodbye ball. The Sox mascot jumps up and down, confetti's falling all around. The crowd goes wild up in the stands. The field is mobbed by Green Sox fans. They'd had their biggest season yet. It's not over. It's over now, but you can bet. Buy your tickets at the court for Dino Hoops next season's sport. All right, guys, that is it for Dino Baseball. But like I was mentioning earlier, I'm in a different video. There are tons of Dino videos, tons of Dino books. And the writing's kind of fun, minus the